I've never looked in here, so you and I are looking together. It is a couple of connectors. Let me put the light on. One of them looks like a micro USB. The other one is some sort of 8-pin, almost looks like a Molex. So basically, that's about all I can tell you about this thing. There are some options for it. You can get it with an option for mopping hard floors and an option for self-emptying your waste disposal area. So here it is. It's at home on its little charging base. This is in the corner of a room. And like I said, I've had this for a couple months. I've probably used it over 100 times. Only one time has it not found its way home. There have been many, I won't call them opportunities, many times where I've had to clear it being jammed or stuck, but only one time when it didn't find its way home. So, how easy is it to use? Well, about this easy to use. Press the button.
Starting cleaning.
Now the vacuum hasn't even started yet. Now its vacuum has started. It's located its position. And it will begin to clean the area. In my case, it takes about 70 minutes, hour and 10 minutes for it to do the entire house. Things that you need to look out for are cables, wires on the floor. It will get hung up, and then it will send you a message to your phone saying the main drive wheel is stuck or the robot is off its wheels or something along those lines, and you're going to be forced to stop whatever you're doing and go clean it. Help it out. But all in all, it's not bad. Now, if for any reason you want it to stop, there's the end button there, if I can actually press it. There, I press the end button. And then I can simply press the return to charge.
Returning to charge.
And it will hopefully find its way home. Sometimes it takes a minute for it to realize where it's at or what's going on. I've also noticed that it doesn't matter if it's dark or light out. The camera must be infrared. It seems to work out pretty well. Is it a Roomba? No. Is it half the price of a Roomba? Yes. Does it work? Absolutely. So I'd like to thank Yeedi for sending this out to us. I will have a link down below where you can get one if you're interested. I don't know if I told you or not. They're between $230 to $250 here in the US. And if you want the add-ons, you'll be looking at up to about $500. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this little review. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons. Big thanks to Yeedi for sending this out. That's it. I'm out. Peace.